Hello, everyone, and good afternoon. Today is Friday, June 13th, 2025, at 13:38. And today we have our day one outlook to look at. Not day one, day two outlook to look at for tomorrow. So, for tomorrow's outlook, we have a slight risk encompassing parts of central to southeastern Montana, parts of northeastern Wyoming, parts of central to southern South Dakota, and going into central Nebraska, and just a teeny tiny little bit of extreme northeastern Colorado. We have a marginal risk that extends from Montana going into a little bit of southwestern North Dakota, pretty much going into central South Dakota, going to the western Minnesota, into a little bit of western Iowa, parts of northeastern Wyoming, parts of looks like western, and then a slight goes in, and then it goes back to marginal. So parts of eastern to central to southern Nebraska, parts of eastern Colorado, most of Kansas, most of Oklahoma, north to south Texas, and parts of eastern New Mexico having a marginal risk. So we do have those areas having a marginal risk for tomorrow. So, some of our cities that we have going on for tomorrow: Billings, Rapid City, North Platte, Gillette, and Sheridan under the slight, and Oklahoma City, Tulsa, Wichita, Lincoln, and Lubbock under the marginal. So, let's go ahead and deep dive and see what we've got for tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a 2% tornado risk for parts of central to southeastern Montana, northeastern Wyoming, parts of western to central South Dakota, and going into central Nebraska. So we do have the extreme northeastern part of Colorado under the risk as well. So we have Billings, Rapid City, North Platte, Gillette, and Sheridan under the 2%. So we could see a brief EF0 tornado possible tomorrow. Going into the wind threat for tomorrow, we have a 15% extending from central to central to southeastern Montana, parts of northeastern Wyoming, southwestern to southern South Dakota, going into central Nebraska, and the extreme northeastern part of Colorado have the 15%, and then the 5% extending from central Montana, going over to southwestern North Dakota, going into central South Dakota, central Nebraska, parts of northeastern Wyoming, eastern Colorado, most of Kansas, most of Oklahoma, north to south Texas, and eastern New Mexico having the marginal. So we do have those areas having a 5%. We have Billings, Rapid City, North Platte, Gillette, and Sheridan under the 15%, and Oklahoma City, Tulsa, Wichita, Lincoln, and Lubbock under the 5%. So, for the 15%, we could see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts possible for you tomorrow. And for the 5%, we could see 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible tomorrow. So, please be mindful that could be a possibility tomorrow. Going into the hail threat for tomorrow, we have a 15% hatched area for from central Montana to southeastern Montana, northeastern Wyoming, and parts of western Nebraska, South Dakota. We have a 5% extending from central Montana over into southwestern North Dakota, central South Dakota, eastern Minnesota, western Minnesota. We got parts of northeastern Wyoming, parts of central Nebraska, eastern Colorado, west central Kansas, going into west central Oklahoma, and going into north to central Texas, as well as the extreme northeastern part of, the extreme eastern part of New Mexico. So we do have, for the significant severe, Billings, Rapid City, Gillette, Sheridan, and Spearfish under the significant severe. Billings, Rapid City, North Platte, Gillette, and Sheridan under the 15%. And Lubbock, Amarillo, Sioux Falls, Abilene, and Midland under the 5%. So for the 15% hatched area, we could see 1 to 3.5 inch diameter hail possible tomorrow. For the normal 15%, we have for the normal 15%, we could see 1 to 3 inch diameter hail possible, and for the 5% we could see 1 to 2 inch diameter hail possible. So wherever you may be in a hail threat for tomorrow. Going into the hail threat for tomorrow, not the hail threat, going into the summary for tomorrow, it says, scattered severe storms capable of large hail and damaging wind gusts will be possible. And there goes the reset. I did not do the reset. Okay, let's try this again. Scattered severe storms capable of large hail and damaging wind gusts will be possible across parts of the central and northern high plains Saturday afternoon and evening. Additional severe storms will also be possible in parts of southern and central plains. So there you have it. I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. There's tomorrow's hail risk. There's tomorrow's wind risk. There's tomorrow's tornado risk. And there's tomorrow's day 2 outlook. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe. Even if you are in the marginal tomorrow, you never know what these storms could do in the marginals. So please remain weather aware. Anyway, I hope you have a great rest of your day. And we will be going over this outlook again tomorrow when it becomes day 1. But anyway, have yourselves a great day and take care.